Hi, my name is Lauren Eichinger and I'm from Carolina Cove Apartments.
Hi, my name's Lauren DeHart.
We heard about Fast Signs just by driving by. They're right down the road from us on Kerr. They've been very helpful. We've ordered a lot of materials from them, including our main property sign, a big window sign, flyers, brochures, our rugs for our office, our name tags. So they have a lot of selection, and if I needed something, they found it for me. They gave me ideas and what could be better for my marketing, so they've been very helpful.
Their customer service is outstanding, and they're very accommodating in the fact that for our grand opening we even needed an additional sign at last minute, and they were still able to come by, install it, and put it up for us, and it looks wonderful.
They're very nice and helpful. They always answer us. They follow up with you all the time, and we will be using them for a lot of our stuff in the future, and we highly recommend them.
Thank you, Fast Signs.
Thank you, Fast Signs.